Hey guys, welcome back to Help Screen. This is how to take a screenshot of full page in your laptop Windows. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go into your keyboard and press Windows Shift and S. And from here you will have multiple options over here. So you could go for a box, but if you don't want that, you could just simply go ahead and go for a freedom form snip, or you could window snip, or you could go for full screen snip, which is what we are looking for, and click on it. And you will have here the sketch or the sample, and you could just simply click on save as and just simply select the location where you want to download it or save it. And that's simply about it. And when you go to that location, you should be able to open it up. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.